I visited America's original theme park for the first time. Knott's Berry Farm is part of the theme park chain Cedar Fair. In this video, I visit my first Cedar Fair park and see if the legendary Knott's Berry Farm lives up to the hype. So this is our first time at Knott's Berry Farm.
First time here.
Everyone's here. Supposedly a 90-minute wait for Silver Bullet. I don't buy it. So we just got off of Silver Bullet.
It was nice. For the first ride of the day, not bad. Giuseppe says it looks cool.
What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
Oh, it's good.
What do you think?
Super.
I'm not concluding. What do you think?
Too much shaking. Too much force on me.
So I thought it was good. Yeah, the drop isn't like much at all, but the inversions are good. It's like fast, and like that helix is like really intense. It's pretty good. I really liked it. So we just got off of Sierra's Sidewinder. Giuseppe's first ride of the day. What do you think?
Really good.
You really like it?
Yes, I just don't like when it goes on top.
You don't like when it goes on top? Why? You're scared?
It looks really hot.
But you had fun?
Yes.
That's good. That's good. What do you think?
I am so dizzy. We were non-stop turning, huh?
Yeah.
Because we're heavier than Giuseppe and you.
That was funny.
It was so I closed my eyes for it to be super dizzy.
What do you think?
Very simple.
Well, yeah, it was good. It was good because I sat with Giuseppe, and obviously the other side there was more weight. We were spinning like crazy. It was pretty fun. It was pretty fun, and it was good. Did you like it?
No.
Why not?
Giuseppe, you're a fireman now. High five.
So we just got off the log ride. Giuseppe, you like it?
Yes.
Did you get wet?
Yes.
You got so wet?
Not that one.
How about you guys? You get wet?
Water.
Yeah, you're real wet. Everyone's wet.
I'm already dry.
I didn't know about the first drop like inside, so that was like really cool. It's a really cute ride. I like it. I'm pretty sure this is probably like well known already, but it's in the parking lot. And they have a bunch of like Montezuma's track over here, which I did not know about. They still have the spike supports over there, tracks over here, which I just noticed that when we stopped here for lunch, and I wanted to check it out. So touch.
You guys bring the cups?
Some more track here.
No?
So we just got off of Accelerator. What do you think?
It's really fast. Like we finished the entire ride in like 30 seconds.
I'm getting ready for Kinderka and Top Thrill.
What do you think?
Crazy fast.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Yeah, like wow. The launch is great. The launch is great. And
I've never been in a roller coaster with launch that powerful.
yeah, that's a crazy launch. It's a little shaky. I think it's a little shaky, but still, it's really good. Like wow, that's easily the best in the park from what I've been on so far. You excited?
Twiggy, I discovered this here Calico Mountain. It ain't often we come across glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites.
Hey, did you like it?
Yes.
You liked it? How about you guys? You excited?
Yes.
Really? All right.
Pepe, he's picking his nose.
Oh, stop swimming.
So we just got off the rapids and they're really good here. Like they're nice and long. You get decently wet. Poor Giuseppe is like soaked. You okay? Oh my God. Look, careful when you're walking down. Did you get wet? Are you cold? We'll get you a new shirt, don't worry.
Smile for the picture, okay?
Are you ready?
Riders, beautiful.
Woo!
Lovely.
What do you think?
Really good. Really
you rate-
fast. But they should make it longer.
They should make it longer?
Yeah.
Did you raise your hands?
Yes.
Yeah. He really liked that one. And honestly, solid little ride. I just wish it was longer. And yeah.
There's a nice water.
Where's Ronaldo? We forgot to film our thoughts on hang time due to rushing to Ghost Rider, but hang time was fine. Really shaky, but definitely worth a ride.
Worth it.
What did you think of Ghost Rider?
Really good. I put him in third rate.
It's your third favorite? That's great. And you raised your hands the whole time? Half the time? That was crazy.
I don't like it when it goes all the way down.
When you don't like the drop?
Yeah, because it's
It's scary.
no, it's because I always get cold, but
Aw.
it's cool. It's
It's
really
okay.
cool.
It's okay. You did it though. You did it. That's such a big roller coaster. So that was the second to last ride of the day on Ghost Rider. We just waited like an hour and a half. We got there like right before closing, and like they just kept like, it's like they didn't want anyone to get on. They wanted everyone to leave, so they just waited and waited until like the line was manageable, which is an hour later, and that was totally worth it. Oh my god.
I forgot that the drop was covered, like it was in a tunnel, and that was pretty cool. I forgot the flashlight. Also, the pictures were under the first ride, so I was like, "Oh crap, what the hell?" Because the lights were in my face. But yeah, it was pretty cool. It was smooth for a wooden roller coaster.
Okay. Well, what do you think?
I think it's my favorite ride of the park. It was so worth waiting and staying here until, what is it, around 11?
Well, it is currently 11:30.
Yeah. And I sat behind Giuseppe and just watching him raise his hands throughout almost the whole ride. It was so cool. I think it's like the,
It's crazy.
yeah, it's the smoothest wooden coaster I ever been
I don't know
to.
about smoothest, but that is definitely a
Yeah,
smooth
it was
ride.
so fast.
Like, what do you think?
Top 10.
Top 10?
Top 10.
Top 10?
Top 10. Worth the wait. It literally turned my mood upside down. I was so tired. Like, oh.
Now you're so hyped.
Is it really gonna be worth it? Is it really gonna be worth it?
Oh my.
That one ride just changed.
How do you think?
It's really good. It's really good for being made from wood. I don't like those, but this one is really good. It's totally worth it. It's good.
Yeah,
Nice.
that is such a good ride. It's easily the best ride here. That is easily the best ride here.
Ride of this park.
That lives up to the hype. Oh my god.
Because I saw that they were coming from the park.
¿Y eso qué?